Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to withdraw crypto from Kraken App to an external wallet. So let's dive into it. So the first thing to do is to open the Kraken App and log in into your account. You tap on the transfer or withdrawal option in the main menu. Then select the withdraw and choose the cryptocurrency you want to send. Then after that, you have to tap withdrawal address if you haven't added one before. Enter your external wallet address exactly as provided by your receiving wallet. Give the address a label like a name so you can recognize it later, then save it. So choose the saved address from your list, enter the amount of crypto you want to draw, review all details, especially the wallet address and the network, to avoid mistakes. Confirm the withdrawal and complete any security verification, which could be your two-factor code, your email confirmation. So once that is complete, wait for the blockchain network to process your transaction. Timing varies sometimes depending on the crypto and the network load, and that's how you can easily withdraw crypto from Kraken App to an external wallet. Hope you find the video helpful. Maybe the turn on the revision button and subscribe for more videos.